We see the sun every day, but how much do we really know about it? Most people know it's hot and keeps us alive, but today, we'll uncover 5 of the most incredible and least known facts about our very own star. Stay tuned to the end for a fact that will change the way you see the sun forever. You might think space is silent, but the sun is actually constantly singing. We just can't hear it. Beneath its surface, the sun produces pressure waves that cause it to vibrate like a massive musical instrument. Scientists call this helioseismology, and by listening to these vibrations, they can study what's happening deep inside the sun. These vibrations help scientists measure the sun's internal structure, just like seismologists use earthquakes to study Earth's interior. The sun is essentially humming a tune of its own, and it's been doing so for billions of years. You'd expect the sun's surface to be its hottest part, right? Well, that's actually wrong. The surface of the sun, the photosphere, is about 5,500 Celsius. But just above it, the sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, is a mind-blowing 1 to 2 million degrees Celsius. That's over 300 times hotter than the surface. Scientists still don't fully understand why the corona is so hot, but one theory suggests that the sun's twisting magnetic fields create bursts of energy that superheat the atmosphere. It's like standing near a bonfire, but somehow, the air above the fire is hotter than the flames themselves. The sun might seem eternal, but it's actually shrinking. Every second, it loses about 4 million tons of mass due to the solar wind, a powerful stream of charged particles that blasts into space at 900,000 miles per hour. This solar wind creates stunning auroras on Earth, but also has a serious impact. Over millions of years, the loss of mass slightly weakens the sun's gravitational pull, causing planets to slowly drift outward. But don't worry, this process is incredibly slow, and Earth won't be going anywhere anytime soon. Tornadoes on Earth are terrifying, but they're nothing compared to what happens on the sun. The sun has solar tornadoes made of superheated plasma, some of which are 10,000 times bigger than Earth. These monster storms can twist at speeds of over 300,000 miles per hour. These fiery tornadoes are caused by intense magnetic fields twisting and snapping like a giant rubber band. If one of these storms were to erupt in our direction, it could send massive bursts of energy toward Earth, disrupting satellites and power grids. The sun won't shine forever. In about 5 billion years, it will run out of hydrogen fuel and begin to die. First, it will expand into a red giant, growing so large that it might swallow Mercury and Venus. Then, after shedding its outer layers, it will shrink into a white dwarf, a tiny, super dense star about the size of Earth. This white dwarf will still glow for trillions of years before fading into darkness. It's a reminder that even the most powerful stars have a life cycle. If you found these sun facts fascinating, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Also, let us know in the comments which fact surprised you the most. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.